guys, I just pulled up 4 hours later, but I'm here. It looks like the guy's already taking off the fenders, which is good because I don't want to be here for a minute. And honestly, I'm gonna just replace the hood right here, since obviously a hood doesn't fit here. Alright, it's fucking dark as fuck already. We got the hood on, fenders in the trunk, and one's behind me in the seat. About to get some fucking Dairy Cream. Fucking starving. So we got 4 more hours to go.
Tomorrow.
Here's the new hood. It's way better than my other one. This one is actually in good condition. Now I got the right fender in the back because this one's like rolled really bad, and this one has dents too. So yeah, the other fender is better. It's not perfect, but it's way better. Now let's take the shit apart. One fender down. Pretty fucking straight. Fuck, eh? Look at this. That shit's horrible. This fender's still ugly. We'll just do that shit tomorrow. But the hood and this fender though.
The next day.
Alright, so it's another day. Shit, it's not focusing. Oh yeah, it's another day. And honestly, this fender is fucked. It's fucked up. And this one, it's not like shiny. I don't know why. It's shiny right here, and then I don't know, it's like matte. But honestly, it's way better than that one. I got the hood and the fenders from a part out. Here's the other fender. Really bad. This one's actually clean. Like, this one's in good condition. Besides like the drip right there. But yeah, way better than the ones the car came with. And right now I don't have a grill on because I ordered one. A black one. I'm not really a fan of this little thing. There you go. Alright, there's a nut right there. And 3 on top. And then we have like fender liners. There should be some clips in the inside. Oh shit. Alright, so I'm done. I'm gonna try and wet sand that. I mean, it's better than the other fender, but I just don't like the matte look. It looks like overspray, honestly, because there's a little bit on the hood too. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Oh shit, I'm gonna pause my music. But yeah, I'm gonna try and wet sand this shit. Right here, it looks gloss. It had side skirt before because you could type it double-sided tape. But hopefully it is overspray. I could wet sand this and then buff it out. So I'm gonna give it a try and I'll give you guys an update. Alright, so that's the area I didn't touch. A little bit where I wet sanded. And the area I fully wet sanded. Then I'm gonna buff this out. And if it works, then I'll keep going. If not, I could just repaint the fender myself. So right now I added some compound after it dried up. I'm not really a detailer. Back then when I wet sanded my whole car, the black SI, I used 3M I think it was a black cap or a white cap. I just got this one. I don't know what this is, but it says compound, so fuck it, you know. I'm not a detailer, but if it works, then fuck it. And then I'm gonna buff it out. I'll show you guys in a bit. I wasn't recording the whole process because who the fuck wants to see like me buffing? But honestly, it looks way better. Look at that. It actually blends in with the car. And over here, it's like really hazel. I think I am gonna do the whole fender. Right here looks like white. Maybe it's like cheap paint, because these fenders were blue, you could tell. Because on the other one it's blue. Maybe this one now it's just not OEM. But fuck, yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep going. I'll show the process on this side. Alright, so first I did it with 1,500, and I'm gonna do it with 2,000. Dry it. And then put your compound on. Let it dry until it's not wet for like about only like 15 minutes. All you gotta do right now is just buff it out. I just put wax on it. I skipped the other part. Well, I skipped on the video. My battery's about to die. Alright, it's pretty late now. It's 9:44, and obviously you guys are gonna see the fenders and the hood like during the day, but I just want to get this video uploaded tonight or tomorrow morning. So alright, so here's the new parts for the Lexus.